So we've gotten a couple questions on, hey, I've got the business name in mind, but like I want to make sure my website's available. Where do I find information to do that? So today I'm going to show you how to see if your domain is available. The website I'm going to be using is domain.com. It's a very user-friendly website. It's going to give you suggestions if the domain is taken to pivot and have different alternatives. So I'm going to use JD Logistics National as my first proposed domain name. So it is searching the sites to see if that domain is taken or not. And we just got information back that the domain is taken. The cool thing about domain.com, like I shared, is it does give you alternatives to domains. And one of them is like, hey, let's use .net or .org. But say you're really interested in having .com. One thing you can do is pivot or tweak your website and adding a potential USA. We're going to run this search and see if that's available. And yay, congrats, it is. So what we can do now is use JD Logistics National USA as our business name to match our now available domain name. I hope this helps and answers any questions you have about finding a domain that is available. Have a good one.